So this is my new generator. It's called the Predator. Let's see what it's got. So it's got 4,375 watt max starting watt. It says 3,500 running watts, and it's got a DC 12 volt, right? This is let's see, this is the 15A AC breaker. I noticed if you plug this in and you try to turn the air conditioner, the heater on, the AC breaker will pop. So, and what I need is an AC 120 15A 240V adapter to hook into here, so this could run into my house, but I don't have that. So I'm just running just the basic essentials in the house. I'm running the light, refrigerator, batteries charged. So anyway, so let me get back to this thing. So it's pretty much this startup tells you what to check oil, gas, choke, fuel valve, pull, run, switch and all that, unplug, switch, fuel valve, and then it tells you here like what it does. And this is the fuel. This is a big tank, 16-hour runtime. And then this is your turn on right over here. Is this your valve? Where's it at? It's on this side, but your valve switch. And when I bought it, I thought it came with wheels, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to buy wheels for it so I can move it, because this thing is heavy. So I didn't notice that when I bought it, but and I'm gonna have to get a cover, spend more money. I didn't really want to do all this, but and then it says, what does it say? It says 5 feet. I actually turned on, like I said, real easy. Let me see if I can show you the inside. So this is the start and run, right? So when you start it, you have to switch to start. And then you have to turn on the valve to on position. Check that, hit the handle, and then you run it. And then it turns on. So it's real simple. Very simple. The only thing is I don't like is that it weighs a lot. But I paid. It was $4.79 plus tax. And then I got the gas container. It was only 2 gallons. They didn't have 5 gallons. They all sold out. So came out to $550. That's not bad. There's a gas can. More than what I wanted to spend. Anyways, guys, so I bought this at Harbor Freight. I don't know if you can buy them anymore. Probably sold out by now, but that is my Predator. I won't turn it on now because it makes a loud noise and you can't hear what I'm saying. So thanks for watching.